Variable data involves linking a templated file to information in a database, such as a CSV, text, or Excel sheet. I've prepared a text file with headers that connect template items to the database. These headers specify text, locations for images, and in this case also barcodes. Now, let's open the editor and explore the principle. I'll use a prepped EUR file with variable data between $signs, like the barcode and image placeholders. Here, you can see the headers found in my document. The barcode and image placeholders are defined by $signs. I'll now link the database to my image. In the editor, go to File, Combine. Give it a name, import variable data, in my case, a CSV file, and click OK. Reviewing my text file, you'll notice it corresponds to the linked items. The editor has created a multi-page file with 3 pages, each corresponding to the variable data in my document. To summarize, each page mirrors the variable data in my document, creating a multi-page file.